Hi everyone, so I am Nadiva, I'm one of the Sun Divas, and today I'll be showing you a few looks that you can do to decorate your boho locks. These are the Purple Haze. They are amazing, they're really light, they're really beautiful, and they really complement the skin. So I'm going to show you different ways that you can decorate them. I've already added some decoration. As you can see, I've added some gold kind of casts, I've added some different colour ones, and I'm just going to add a few more bits. So I'm going to start off with some more jewels that will actually come in your bag. You have pearls, you have these little wooden numbers. They're really nice and it gives you the kind of natural look. So if you're going to the seaside or like just somewhere that's really chill, it gives you that bohemian vibe. I usually use a comb to kind of push these through. You can also use a crochet needle, which I will be using today. So I always use my comb, but crochet pin makes sense. So you just put it through like this, add it on, and kind of add them, when they're a bit bulky, try and add them in places where they won't stick up. So I usually don't put them too far forward or at the top of my head. I usually put it somewhere where it can fall and kind of just fit in with the vibe of what's going on. So yeah, I've got that one here, adding that little vibe. So the next vibe I'm going to give you is the gold string. So string is just an amazing thing to have in your locks. It really makes it takes it up a next level. So it just gives you that sort of funky, cool vibe. And now I'm going to do something that is quite easy to do. It's a bit easier than the crisscross. I'm just going to wrap and start with one string. If you want to give the illusion of your lock just being totally golden, this helps.
You know you want this for this.
I'll wrap it a few more times. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot. My nails are long, but we can do this. Come on, cow. There we go. I'm just going to cut off the excess. Yay, we do. Right. So this is the vibe right now. Our locks are looking, they're looking like everything right now. We're going to the festival. We're going out today, yeah? So these are jewels that you can purchase on Boho Locs website. These aren't the ones that actually come in your packet, even though we get a lot of this good stuff. This one's a special one. Yes, it's the white turtle jewel set. Let me show you the turtles. Right, so this is how I seal my jewels. I take a bit of the hair and I kind of get it tangled. I get it tangled so it can stay.
You know you want this for this.
And there we have it. And that is how you style your boho locks. This is how you style them. You go all out, you go hard. So I hope you liked my tips on how to style and gem up your boho locks, and thank you for watching.